Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this very soft, fluffy and delicious baked pancake. It is simple and it is perfect for breakfast. So do well to keep on watching so you learn how I made this. To begin, I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl. Then I added in some pineapple flavor. You can use vanilla extract or any flavor you enjoy. I also added a bit of cinnamon powder. Feel free to use nutmeg instead if you prefer. I added in soy oil and after that I poured in some liquid milk and added salt as well. I gently mixed everything together until well combined. Next, I added in some sugar. You can use honey. You can just use any other sweetener. Do you okay? I also added in baking powder, corn flour. Then I sift in all-purpose flour to keep the batter smooth. Sifting your flour would always help to take out the impurities that sometimes are found in the flour, and it also helps the flour to be light in weight and which results to a very nice texture of whatever you're using it to bake. So always sift your flour, okay? At first, I started mixing with a spatula, but I noticed some small lumps, so I switched to a whisk and whisked gently by hand until the mixture became smooth and lump free. Then I poured the batter into a lined baking pan. I used parchment paper, leveled it nicely, and gave it a little tap to release any trapped air bubbles. I baked this in my preheated oven at 180 degrees C for about 50 minutes until it turned golden and fully cooked. You can insert a skewer into that, and once it comes out free, that means the pancake is ready. I let it to cool for a while before I went in with a knife to cut through. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Fidel and this is Fidel Food Villa. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also don't forget to like this video and drop your comments. The full recipe and ingredients would be in the description box below. Then I drizzled with some honey. You can use maple syrup if you have. And just like that, this delicious baked pancake is ready. I hope you all get to give this one a try. Bye!